loading system acting on the beam by an equivalent resultant force and couple moment at point O. So your F1 and F2, so F1 200 Newton and F2 which is 450 Newton. The moment being created by those two forces here is, both forces here is 200 Newton meter. So it's not here. That's the moment here. That's the moment. 200 Newton meter. So you need to replace the loading system. So the very first thing you need to do is find me the resultant force. Find me the resultant force first. So tell me what is the resultant force. What's the resultant force? Gentlemen, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's fine. So find me the resultant force.
Sir, is it 294.3 newtons?
What's in the vector form?
Minus 189.7 I minus 225. No, minus 225 I minus 189.7 J. Yes, sir.
Who else is getting this?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
the
Yes, sir.
225I minus 189J.
0.3 newtons.
Once you've got your resultant, what is the moment at point O? Calculate the moment at point O. And I want you to tell me what is the effect of moment M, which is 200 Newton meter at point O. In simple words, let's first find the moment created by force F1 and F2 at point O. Do that first.
415 newton meter.
The total moment is coming out to be 530 Newton meter.
$530 Newton meter.
415 newton meter. 415 newton meter.
Have you calculated the moment created by force F1 and F2 at point O?
Oh, wait.
It's relatively easy. You find the force moment. So you find the moment created by a force F1 and F2 at point O, and then you add the moment M, because there's a free vector, remember? So in simple words, let me show you. Come on, where is it? That should be the answer you're getting. So that is into the paper, or basically that's perpendicular to the paper. Is that clear to everyone? It's relatively easy. You can clearly see moment created by force. There's in vector form. There's no need to do it in vector form. You can do it in scalar form because it's 2D. Okay, but you can do it in vector form also. I would prefer to do it in scalar form because it's a 2D application. And they just added the moment to it, and this is the answer you get. Is that clear?
Yes.
So remember, it's a 2D approach, so scalar would be a better option.